So this is smart condom system. This is new product with the password keypad. In this video, I will tell you how to use passwords, import password to make emergency disarm. If you forget to take a smart key remote in your pocket, maybe your smart key is broken, smart key battery is dead. How to get this into your car? Please import the passwords on the shared window of the front glass of your car. Okay. Now passwords, factory passwords is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is disarm. I import disarm. If you want to lock your car by passwords, please import 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Factory passwords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Just you lock your car by passwords, but it is auto lock automatically because this is PK antenna inside this. Now I remove the PK antenna. Okay, now is in arm. Okay, I import 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is wrong import. Okay, operation is incorrect. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yes, yes. This how to use password to make emergency unlock your card. Okay. This is the first video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.